Welcome back to Onion Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy, flaky and absolutely delicious snacks, Aloo Onion Kachori. Perfect for tea time or as a party treat. Let's get started. First, in a bowl add 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon black seed, half teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Aloo Onion Kachori is a popular street food in North India. Add 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. Knead the dough soft but not sticky for the best flakiness. Rub some oil on top and keep it aside. For the stuffing, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon crushed cumin and 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Roast on low heat. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Then add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well. Add 2 boiled grated potatoes and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Let it cool completely. Take some dough, spread it gently and place the potato stuffing inside. Cover well and press gently. Kachori can be stuffed with many fillings from lentils to paneer. Let the stuffing cool completely before filling to avoid breaking the dough. Fry in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat so the kachori cooks evenly inside and out. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches for best result. Ajwain helps with digestion after heavy snacks. Potatoes provide instant energy and keep you full. Onions are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Coriander seeds can help improve gut health. And that's it. Your crispy, flaky and mouth-watering aloo onion kachori is ready to serve. Perfect with chutney or hot tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Onion Cake and Cookies for more delicious snacks. Tell us in the comments, do you like your kachori with chutney or curry? Stay tuned because more easy and tasty recipes are coming your way.